Hi guys, it's Tanya M and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Tanya M and this channel is basically synthetic wig reviews. I also do some human hair wig reviews, but I love wigs, everything wigs, and mostly synthetic wigs because they're so convenient and affordable. So for today's unit, I will be trying out, it's an older unit. It's by Outre. It's part of their melted hairline collection, and she's in the style Natalia. Um, I actually decided to do this unit because I have a TikTok. If you don't follow me, the link is in the description box. And one of my subscribers asked to do a ginger wig, and I thought this would be a cute ginger color. It's in the color DR Copper Orange. And I will take it out in a minute and show you. Just to let you know to stay tuned because I will be reviewing this newer unit from the Melted Hairline collection called Carmina. And I have her in the lovely color DRFF4 Golden Honey. So if you want to see that review, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop new uploads. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this. Let me unbox it, okay? And this is an older unit again. Like, I've had her for a long time. Haven't reviewed her. When my subscriber asked me to do a ginger wig, I was like, oh, I gotta buy another wig. I like to, you asked me to do something. I feel not obligated. I feel appreciative that you took the time to reach out to me, ask me to do a specific review. But I was like, girl, all these wigs you got, you can find some ginger wigs in your collection. So I went and I digged and I pulled up Natalia in this beautiful copper orange color. It does have a dark root, so for those who don't or are a little, hesitant to do the whole like color wig scheme, this would be a nice dark root, and it is dark rooted throughout. Very, very pretty, very natural. She's a standard, well, not standard really. She has the Outre standard cap construction because they've been adding this elastic band in their units, which is awesome, extra security. But it has the usual 2 combs on the side in the front, a larger comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. So this is the older unit. So Outre recently started adding the inches, how long the wig is on the package, but because this is an older unit, this one doesn't have the how long it is, so I'll just estimate for y'all. Let me go ahead and get on my wig cap and throw her on so you can see what she looks like before I go ahead and install her. I will be doing my install on TikTok because this was a requested unit on TikTok, but I'll come back on here and finish the review, which is like usually like my thoughts and any feedback I have about the unit. Okay, so I'm back with the units on. I will have to obviously tint the lace. This is how the hairline looks. Definitely do not need to pluck. And it's a T-part unit anyway, so I'm not really worried about the size too much. So I'm probably not gonna pluck this unit. I'm just gonna like apply her. But this color is so gorgeous. I remember when I bought it, I was like, yes, this color. And I don't know why I just never wore her. But I bought her last year during the winter. So it's fall now. Perfect color. Yeah, so let me show you how it looks in the back. Some people like to turn their units. I'm not a fan of that, but I'll show y'all because it is a T-part. But even if you turn her, that's gorgeous with the flip right here. So if you want to even like do her as a side part and it doesn't look funny, sometimes when you turn it to the side, it looks funny. But no, this is gorgeous too. I'm a left side girl, that's why I turned it to the left. But shut up. I love applying the unit how it comes. So since she is a middle part, I am going to apply her as a middle part wig. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over to TikTok, record my install, and then come back here and show you the final review. So stay tuned. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Okay guys, so I'm back with the finished results of the install. So I went ahead and did the install via TikTok. So if you want to see how or get a glimpse, because it's not really going to be like exactly all of the install on there, but if you want to get like a 60-second glimpse of how I do my wig installs, my T-part installs, then go ahead and head over to the TikTok. The link will be in the description box. Excuse my son in the background. He's being bad. But anyway, so yeah, so if you aren't familiar with the Outre melted hairline, I haven't done one in so long, but they're very similar to what I've been doing recently, which was the sensational butter lace. So the melted hairline is the equivalent of the, or is equal to the sensational butter lace units. So it has, it's like this T-part unit, but it's like flawless, like the hairline's flawless. It's pre-plucked. It's a lot of room if I did want to pluck this unit. This is an older unit, so I did notice that the knots were a little bit larger, especially on the side. So I definitely wouldn't recommend plucking the sides of these units because it's going to be hard. And when the knots are larger, it could rip the lace. But it does have the HD lace, like the sensational butter lace, HD lace, pre-plucked. Basically, I guess like the new thing with the human hair is they do have the T-parts, but they're not as official as the sensational melted hairline. I do prefer the oh my god, I meant the sensational butter lace and the Outre melted hairline. Now, I will say that I prefer Outre melted hairline over the sensational butter lace because for some reason, like the sensational butter lace, the lace is not official. Like it don't really come ear to ear like this. If you go over and watch my TikTok, you'll see that I have to cut off extra lace because like Outre accommodates for that and sensational doesn't. Like the lace on sensational will like stop right here, and it's annoying because I wanted to look like a frontal, even though it's not a frontal. I wanted to look like a frontal, and I'm paying closure prices. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, let me show you guys like the even though I did a 360 in the beginning, it's tangling in the back, but that's to be expected. But I didn't do a I did a 360 in the beginning, but I'm gonna do it again with it installed. She's very pretty. If I could guess, I would say she's about 20 inches long. Very pretty color, perfect for the fall. She is gonna tangle, as you can see. She's mostly only tangling in the back though. Just don't play with her. Don't play with her. I be playing in my wigs. I ain't gonna lie. I be telling people don't play in your wigs, your synthetic wigs, but I be playing in mine. I can't help it but run my fingers through it and flip this joint. I really feel this unit if we can, so I'm pretty sure it will look really nice in a 1B natural color. I think it had obviously like with Outre, you know the typical colors they have. But anyway, I know my son is probably annoying in the background, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. Don't forget to like this video if you're feeling the wig. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Follow me on social media. My Instagram and TikTok links will be in the description box below. Peace.